What's going on, guys? Today we are reacting to Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 7, so let's jump right into the reaction. Oh, so this is all the stuff Makoto brought back from, or Madoka. Bro, I always get the fucking D and K confused in his name. But Madoka brought back from the dungeon. Uh-oh. Just falls down to his knees. Well, he's getting scolded. Okay, it is Makoto. Bro, I don't know why I always confuse the K and the D in his name. Makoto. Am I the only one that has that problem? Oh, wow. Damn, bro. Getting dragged out in front of all those men. Oh, the jewelry box. Okay, what's wrong with the bag? It's like all the gems and stuff, right? I wonder how much those cost. Oh, they're normally empty? Oh. Okay, I didn't realize that they were normally empty. Oh, so they don't know how much they cost. Wow, I mean, I'm sure they're gonna be very expensive. Oh. Wow, with the red tray with the Merchants Guild? Yo, Makoto's about to make a bunch of money. Oh, so they put that up as a farce. Okay. So he's gonna directly trade these jewels with the Merchants Guild. Bro just goes with the flow. He's like, yeah, whatever you tell me, yeah, I'll go with it. Oh, he's gonna go with him. Okay. Gosh, no. No, don't let him go. Oh, he's going. Bro, he's going. He's caught him out on his bluffs. Bro, he was trying to get out of his work. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's gonna sell his item that he likes? What the heck? Oh, it's a sword? Earth Dragon Fang? Oh. That would be cool though. Let him keep that. Oh, it's time to eat again. We gotta eat at least once every episode. So they got 2 hours. Oh, that's plenty of time. What? Don't have much time. I guess it means not much time to cook. They could just buy something. He saw Phil, was like, oh shit, there's a monster right in front of me. Some iron skewers. 30. 15. Oh my gosh, dude. They're gonna buy all of them this guy has. Huh. Makoto's gonna get no more than 5. 76. Wait, so he's only gonna eat 1? Because they said 30, 30, and 15. He asked for 76. He's only gonna eat 1? I always feel so bad for him, man. He's got a whole plate full. Horned rabbit meat. Oh, okay. Sui's like, this is yummy. Alright, that should be it for them. Yeah, let him eat. Some good old charcoal grilling. Oh, I wonder if you might buy a grill from the shop. Yeah, if only we had a barbecue grill. Okay, Online Grocery doesn't have one like that? Can Sui make a grill? I know he made those mithril swords and stuff, and the potions. Is this the Merchant's Guild? Looks like an antique shop. Adriano. Oh, this guy looks goofy. Ruslan? Oh, bro, I can already picture he sees the gems. He's like, what the? Huh. Garnets? I don't even know what garnets are. Of the highest quality. Oh, okay, there's his reaction. I knew he was gonna get something like that. Damn, we hasn't seen one like that in decades. Yo, that's pretty cool. So golden gems are rare? Mukohda's like, what? 7,460 gold coins. Uh-oh. Does he not like that price? Oh, hold on. The Phantom Gem. Oh shit, he's saying they're priced low. Damn. Oh wow, bro, he is calling them out right in front of their face. What's it gonna be now? Another 2,000? Okay, so that works. Bro. Oh, are they gonna promote him? Oh, he got promoted. Yeah, A rank. Oh, let's go. A rank Mukohda. So he was C before. I was trying to remember what he was before. So he went from C to A. Bro, come on. You cleared that whole dungeon. Oh, free tickets to eat at the restaurant? Oh, so he can accept any quest he wants. Okay. Oh. Yeah, they're gonna convince him to take it. Bro, he might be S rank by the end of the season. Oh, that's that oven he uses. So we are getting some cooking in this episode, okay. I wonder what kind of meat that is. Meat grinder that he bought online? Oh, okay. So he used the mithril grinder. Is this the first time they're gonna cook with him? I think so. I don't think they've cooked with him before. Oh, a little bit of nutmeg too. Oh, this is gonna be bacon wrapped. Oh wow, bacon wrapped. Yo. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, dude, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Bloody horn bull and orc meatloaf. That took an hour to make. They're gonna eat it in like 10 seconds. Like, one bite and he's almost done. So he's about to make some offerings. They've been waiting since last episode to get some offerings. Oh my gosh, dude. He has to do all those. So he's got cookies and everything. Oh, he's gonna give those to his family. Oh. Wait, that ain't the same. No, okay, I was gonna say, that ain't the same kids from last week. It's not. Because the mom kind of looks the same too. But it's not them. Bro, they need to just... If they overthink this stuff too much, just freaking eat it, bro. Oh wow, she's daydreaming about MUKOHDA. What the heck? Let's hurry up and go to sleep so then it's tomorrow. Oh. That was a nice episode. Alright guys, it was Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 7. A pretty laid back and chill episode, but I did enjoy it nonetheless. Hopefully you guys did as well. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.